Welcome to Rome. I'm going to show you a few things in the Dior store. This is the location near the Spanish Steps. It's one of my favorite places in Rome. Here as I walk in, I'm showing you some of the new bags that they have on display. Also, I always loved this trunk and the mitzvahs that are inside. They are always so gorgeous. So I'm going to take a look at some of those because I'm always eyeing them. These are some of the ABC mitzvahs, and they have different colors and patterns and all the letters. Gorgeous. These are some of the Lady Dior bags that I'm going to try on. Look at this intricate raffia bag. These are some of the newer bags. I'm not exactly sure what they're called, but look at the pearl details on the straps. They're so gorgeous. Some more saddle bags to look at. This raffia book tote is so beautiful. Here's some SLGs. I feel like some of these SLGs look so vintage, don't they? Something you could find on eBay or something. Check out the pearls in the strap. It is so beautiful. Doesn't have it in this one, but you can see the little tiny pearl on the CD, but also on the strap. The chain strap is what makes it so gorgeous. I love that. Okay, here are the most beautiful pastel colors in the Lady Dior. These are the mini sizes. This floral one right here is a small size, but I'm gonna try them all on because I just love I'm loving the pastels, I'm not gonna lie. It is so gorgeous. These soft colors really make me so happy. And this is a size small. Let me know what you think about this. This is new collection. Oh, you know I loved a soft butter yellow. This is different. It's like enamel. Just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, this two-tone Lady Dior mini is so adorable. I feel like this pink is a little too muted. Like it's not pink enough. It's like beigey, right?
This is a baby pink.
It's like a baby pink. Ugh, and this one, if I could pull off this shade of blue, I would absolutely love it. I feel like it wouldn't go with my wardrobe, but I really, really love the two-tone. And this is my friend Michelle trying on the mini Lady Dior. This beautiful green one is in size small that she's wearing, and it's absolutely gorgeous.
Oh, I see. That is so cute. And it really pops against her skin tone.
I love this color. I love it.
Yeah. I feel like pastels on dark skin tones, it pops.
I love how Michelle is trying on all these bags with me. It is so fun. So purple is absolutely her color. This is what makes her smile. Look at that smile, I love it. And I think it looks great on her. Let me know if you think Michelle should get this bag. She is definitely new to luxury handbags, but I love the fact that she's trying all this on. It is so fun.
That looks good. How much is this one? Oh, it is 4,500 euros.
This one is the mini size in the raffia.
But you're not going to be able to downsize.
Not yet. Not there yet. But
Okay, I really love this wicker one. I really love that it's in the mini size. I hate the internal liner inside. It just makes it so much less usable. I really love this guitar strap. It really is growing on me. This whole thing, as I look back on editing, I really love this bag so much in the mini size. I think that clasp on the guitar strap is so ugly. They really need to refine that detail. This is a mini raffia. I really loved this in store. I loved it more than the wicker one. But again, as I look back, I think the wicker one has so much more personality. I just can't get behind the liner inside the bag on the wicker one. That really would drive me crazy. If it had the flap like this one does, I would totally go for it. Actually, I can't even say that if I'm being honest. I mean, I just don't live in the climate to justify the price. This is a mini size in the lizard, and it is such a beautiful colorway with the ombre. Oof, that mint green is so pretty.
Yeah, it's actually, this is a beautiful lizard, actually.
This is another lizard in a different colorway with the pink and gray. I don't love this color combination. Definitely not my cup of tea, but I really think the lizard is gorgeous. Now we're trying on another exotic. This one's an alligator in a pearlescent finish. It is 31,000 euros. 31,000 euros. You heard that correctly. I gave it back real fast because I was scared to handle it. This is the Dior Ange bag. It is so beautiful in this white color. I love that handle. It is a mini bag. It is so gorgeous with this little pearl detail on the clasp. That handle is everything. I feel like the proportions are perfect. This one is so beautiful. So, so beautiful. Okay, this saddlebag is in the medium size. I have to say, I love this colorway. If the price was affordable, if I had a reason to get it, I would absolutely get it, but it feels a little too cool for me. I feel like I can't pull it off, and that handle, when you wear it crossbody, really does drive me crazy. I feel like they have to change that detail to lay a lot nicer when you wear it crossbody. Here's me trying on this beautiful raffia mini bag again with a mitza tied around it. I love this size. Let me know what you think about this bag. So this is what I got at Dior, and the bag is all smushed up, not looking very pretty because the girl traveled, but it comes with this little gold star, which I absolutely love, and it's such a beautiful touch, which I always love about Dior. Again, Dior packaging is always the best. They're always on point. So I'm gonna share with you what's inside. It is a little thing, so I hope it's not anticlimactic for you, but it's still very special to me. And it's something I had been eyeing because I really wanted to accessorize one of my bags. And this is the little box it comes in. It says Dior. And I got a mitzvah, and it is one of their ABC mitzvahs. So one side is the classic Christian Dior stripe on here. This beautiful blue, I don't know what color this is. Is this indigo? I'm not really sure. No, it's not indigo, but it's like this really soft blue color. And why I got this was because it has my initial on it, S for Sharon. And I just love these florals. I mean, look at these florals. You know I'm a floral girl, and this was doing it for me. As I said, I got this so that I can accessorize one of my handbags. Tell me if you think this is a faux pas. So first of all, I love the Christian Dior mitzvahs. I've not looked at any of the Hermes Twillies before, just because I'm not gonna lie, I feel a little bit intimidated by ever walking into an Hermes. Like, it's not really a brand that I know much about or at this point care that much about. So I've never seen any of the Hermes Twillies, although I know their silk scarves are beautiful. So I've always looked online for those. And I am still kind of on the hunt for a beautiful silk scarf, but I've always loved Dior Twillies. And the ones at Louis Vuitton are just too long, I think, and not quite as dainty. I like the Dior ones because they have a nice finish to it, whereas I feel like a lot of the Louis Vuitton ones that I've seen have just kind of a square finish at the ends, and I just don't really like that as much. Anyway, I bought it for this bag. I bought it for my beautiful Capucines. Now, I'm not a matchy-matchy person, so I was not gonna get like a yellow Twilly or mitzvah or whatever for the handle. And also because you can never quite get the same shades of that particular color, so then it almost looks weirder. So I just always go for complementary colors because I feel like they go well together and it just pops. This is kind of what I was thinking. And this is how it looks. Now, there are these teeny tiny, now I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there are these teeny tiny yellow pieces of the flower, and they're actually spot on with this banana color. So that works out really nicely. Like, there's just these cute little accents of yellow. Not that you're gonna see much of that coming through necessarily, but I do think that just means that it ties together really nicely. And if you kind of see how this looks together in general, I think it works. So I'm gonna put this bad boy together and let's see how it looks. I haven't done a Twilly in a really long time, so this is gonna be definitely trial and error, and we'll see how it works. But I'll put you on a fast forward and let's see. Okay, so I didn't do a perfect job and I'm gonna have to adjust it somehow, but this kind of gives you a rough idea of how it looks color-wise, but this is kind of the vibe. Now, let me know what you think. And I know some people are gonna be like, ew, it's ugly. I like it, okay? I think I like it. And I really like the complementary colors, and I feel like it's fun. My initial is right here, which you can see, but you can't really see. So, I don't know, I really like that. Are you supposed to put it in front, or are you supposed to put it in the side? I'm not really sure. So tell me if it's supposed to go in the front. This is how it looks in the front. I feel like that looks a little weird, but maybe it doesn't. I'm not really sure, just because, you know, there's kind of a ridge here, or does it go on the side? I'm not entirely sure. Let me know what you think. Is it supposed to go in the front or the side? Essentially, this is a decorative piece, but it's also a functional piece for me because it's such a light color, handle and leather and bag. So I wanted to protect the handle from just getting gross and dusty and yucky from, you know, the grease in my hands, or if I have dirty hands and I happen to touch the bag. So it is very, very functional, and I think it looks really good. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Are you a Twilly person or not, or a Mitza person or not? And again, let me know, is this a faux pas for mixing brands? This is obviously a Louis Vuitton bag. This is a Dior piece, but it doesn't say Dior anywhere, especially because it's on the floral side, so I don't think it matters at all. I mean, this could be from eBay. It really does not matter. Certainly, you don't need to spend a ton of money to get the look, but for me, it was Dior, and just have a very special place in my heart for Dior. And I was in Rome and I knew I wanted to get something special. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for joining me today and allowing me to share with you my little spark of joy for this gorgeous bag to make it even more special. And again, I'm really confused. Does it go in front or does it go in the side? Tell me. I'm not sure. Anyway, thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you can hit the thumbs up button. It really helps my small channel out. If you want to binge watch any of my other videos, you can do that here, and I will see you next time.